Okay, this is an oil change for a 2015 Ford F150 ecoboost. Grab you some decent wraps. These are mismatched, but who cares? They work. Here's the victim vehicle. Mobile 1 5W30 synthetic. I like using that. It works good for me. Been working for years. Drain pan. As you go underneath the car, you're gonna find 4 bolts. They're gonna be 5/16. I think the equivalent of those are 8 millimeters. Short tip I found is you loosen the 2 front ones. You're able to loosen them, let the front of the tray sag down, and position your oil pan underneath that, and drain just fine. Okay, once it's drained down, you have a 15 millimeter bolt. I like to take a swivel and a socket, loosen that, making sure my pan is positioned right underneath the oil drain pan plug, catch all the fluid. Okay, we're about to strike gold. The 15 millimeter bolt is loose, and here we are. We found gold. Let it drain for probably 15-20 minutes until you don't see anything anymore. Once it's finished, reinstall your drain plug, seal it up, reinstall your cover, tighten the bolts. Now working toward the front, you're going to look for your oil filter, which is right there for the engine horizontally. I take my oil filter wrench, nice firm grasp, and loosen the oil filter. Once you break the initial torque, you're able to loosen it by hand. There's an access drain plug or a drain hole in the pan right there. Allows the oil to drain down into your bucket underneath. This probably takes about 5 minutes just to let it drain properly. This is 7,000 miles worth of oil, hard driving. I take the new filter, I top it off to prevent dry starts, and then I smear a little bit of new oil around the rubber gasket, make removal easy in the future. Now you go ahead and reinstall it. Once it's snug, place your oil filter wrench above it and further tighten it. Not too tight, just beyond hand tight. And we're done. Oh, one more thing. You go up top, find your oil filter fill plug, add your fresh oil to it. It's going to take about 6 quarts. If you added 6 quarts of oil, you tighten the plug or the cap, reset your oil light. Options, select. It's a menu option where it's going to show your basic functions. You see right there it says press OK for resetting oil life. You can hold OK and watch the bar scroll up. There you go, 100%. You're done. Close your hood. Enjoy your oil. Thanks.